Ever wondered why the streets in Australia are buzzing while the rest of the world is still hitting the snooze button? On average, Australians rise at 6:45 a.m., making them some of the earliest risers on the planet. If you're not at a cafe by 6:30, you're already late to the party. This isn't just a choice, it is a structural part of the national identity, driven by a unique mix of work culture and a climate that rewards the early bird. Data indicates that nearly 60% of the population is awake before 7 a.m. on weekdays. One major factor is the sunlight trap. In northern parts of the continent, the sun can hit your window as early as 4:45 a.m. Without heavy blackout curtains, the body naturally wakes up the moment that
welcome.
first ray strikes.
Today we'll explore some
Then
key
there's the
strategies
heat.
of success.
In many regions,
First, it's
temperatures
crucial to
soar
understand
by
your audience
mid-morning,
and tailor your
so if you want to
message
exercise safely,
doing
you
this,
have
you
to finish before the sun becomes brutal. But the real engine behind this schedule is the construction industry. Thousands of workers, known locally as tradies, start noisy work at 7 a.m. This creates a domino effect. Because they're moving, coffee shops must open early, and because the shops are open, office workers stop by before their commute. By the time 8 a.m. rolls around, half the country has already finished a workout and had their first caffeine fix. Whether it's catching a dawn surf in Sydney or beating the heat in Perth, the Australian morning is a high-speed race that starts well before dawn.